Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
Yep. Be still, buddy. Be still. Yeah, he got ants all over. No, he is a... I'll let you know in a second. That little rascal. 16. Yeah. Yep, 16. Yep. 16 even. Can we do anything with that? Alright. Let's get this joker back in the water. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate you. Yes, sir.
Ready to go, ready to go.
Hey, thank you, brother. Cut the GoPro off and got the second one. How about that? Man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's what we're doing. We're building our choices. Yep. And so you know, of course, I'm gonna send all these pictures to you. Let's see. That's why them bass coming up. Yep. So maybe the wind is a friend to us. Let's see. Lord, have mercy. Buddy, be your little crack still. Lord, he's 10 and a half. Huh?
Oh no, take a 15.
Okay, I'll do that. 10 and a half, more like 10 and 3/4. Mouth closed, yep. Alright, fishing at a secluded place, you guys, using the lipless crankbait. Maybe I shouldn't tell it, but I'm gonna tell it. Silver and black back, you guys. Go get you one. But using the silver and black back, got me a little weak. Hi guys. It's a nice patch. He long as crap, ain't he?
That's all we need. That's all we need.
Put the water in the bag. Okay. I put you in the picture. You what? All in your box? All you guys out here fishing in this secluded spot. And you can see who that guy is back there in the background, you guys. Hey, we got to get it in, man. Speaking of which, y'all check this beauty out. Oh my goodness. Nice one. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. I'm glad you... Oh, beautiful. I just made you famous. Let's do it, Patrick. Oh, that's a fish. Patrick got his first one, you guys. Maybe I shouldn't say that. Way to go, Patrick.
Hey, I'll take it, man.
Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's what you always tell me. Gotta have a start. Nice, Patrick. Get him. The same one. Oh. I don't blame you. Every time you go bass fishing, you catch a fish. That's a good thing.